Nissan's US lineup is looking a little empty lately. The $20,000 Versa? Dead as of December 2025. The Altima? On its last legs. Even the legendary Leaf is ditching its hatchback roots to become yet another crossover in 2026. But while America is obsessed with bigger is better, Nissan just dropped a bombshell in Europe that makes us wonder, did they give the best stuff to everyone else? Meet the all-new, all-electric, 6th-generation Nissan Micra. It's small, it's retro-modern, and unfortunately, you probably can't buy one. Now, if this car looks familiar, there's a reason. Underneath that Japanese badge, it's sharing DNA with the ultra-stylish Renault 5 E-Tech. They both sit on the AmpR Small platform, formerly CMF BEV. But while the Renault goes full 70s retro, the Micra is doing its own thing. Those C-shaped LED rings, they're a direct nod to the iconic round headlights of the Micras from the 90s and 2000s. It's got that urban chic look that Americans usually only get from Mini Coopers or the Fiat 500e. Inside, it's a massive leap forward from the plasticky Nissans of the past. You get dual 10.1-inch screens angled toward the driver, running Google built-in. That means Google Maps and Spotify work natively, no more buggy phone mirroring. And Nissan added some cool Easter eggs. Look closely at the storage compartment between the seats, and you'll find an outline of Mount Fuji. It's a nice reminder of the car's heritage, even if it's being built in a French factory alongside its Renault cousins. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets interesting for the daily commuter. You have two choices. The base model, 40 kilowatt-hour battery, 121 horsepower, and about 190 miles of range. The extended range, 52 kilowatt-hour battery, 148 horsepower, and up to 253 miles, WLTP. Now keep in mind, those are European WLTP numbers. In the US, under stricter EPA testing, that 253-mile range would likely drop to around 210-220 miles. Still, for a city car that supports 100 kilowatt DC fast charging, 15% to 80% in 30 minutes, that's more than enough for most Americans' daily 30-mile round-trip commute. So the million-dollar question, why isn't this coming to the States? Well, the Micra is tiny. At 157 inches long, it's nearly 2 feet shorter than a Nissan Versa. In a country where the Ford F-150 is the king of the road, Nissan is betting that Americans won't feel safe in something this small. Plus, with the federal tax credit landscape shifting in late 2025, bringing an imported subcompact EV to the US market is a massive financial gamble. The 2026 Nissan Micra EV proves that small cars don't have to be boring or cheap-feeling. It's got character, tech, and the kind of efficiency we need as gas prices remain volatile. While we're getting a Leaf crossover instead, I can't help but feel we're missing out on the fun side of the EV revolution. But what do you think? Would you trade your SUV for a 250-mile retro-styled Micra EV if the price was right, say under $30,000? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at the EVs we wish we had, hit that like button and subscribe for more global car deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.